Welcome to another Hobo Talks. On this one, we're going to do a portfolio review. I don't think I've done one of these for about a month and a half, or I think I did one early October. So before we get really into the current status, let's look at what we were doing before. But as of today, October 6th, we are up to $21,000. And with that, we are pulling approximately $13,000 in dividends over the year. So just to throw that into a quick little calculator, 13684.75 divided by 12 months is $1,140. All right, so back to the current numbers. We are currently at $26,382.27. You can see over the past year, we are up 1.46%. Over the last month, we are up 16%. And year to date, we are down 12%. So some pretty interesting jumps there. The 3 year, kind of a similar type thing, down 42%, supposedly. A lot of this, the down portion, has to do with margin that I have on the account. So these aren't exactly the real numbers, but let's get in here. So quick thing to point out: Happy Turkey Day to anybody that celebrates it. That's tomorrow, and the stock market is on break. So it's a great time to review your portfolio. Make sure you got everything going where you're gonna go, because you basically get a whole day to sit there and stew on it. All right, so top five stocks we got right now. Nvidia is number one for me. I got 1,109 shares, $27,000 under the current price. It has been dropping a little bit. I believe Nvidia has been dropping as well, so it's kind of normal for us. Nothing too crazy there. SoFi still sitting at $16.12. It's been a very good thing for us. As you can see here, we're up $2,739. Got an average sale price of $6.99. That's pretty good there. I know some people that got in at four, so they're doing even better than me. Broadcom, AVGO, $159.67. We are down $311. I'm starting to question whether I should sell this, put it into Nvidia or Misty or something like that. But I'm going to hang in there for a little bit before I make any brash decisions. We are down, but we're not down that much, all things considered, 8%. And this is one of the growth stocks I have. It's one of the ones I really want to focus on, not just be straight dividend. Misty's number four in here. Position I'm trying to build back out here. Had a cover call that did get executed on. I lost 100 shares. Left me with 47 that I had remaining, because I had 147 to begin with. And I've put a little bit back into it. So I'm now at to 52 shares. As you see, this position is also up for me because I got in at about $30. So that was doing pretty good. And then my old time favorite, JetQ, $56.68 currently, up $200 overall. And my current value is $1,421.42. This is what I originally wanted the main portion of my portfolio to be, is JetQ originally. And I may still return to that. But right now, we're trying to maximize on those dividends. Speaking of dividends, let's get over there. All right, so this is what most people like to see. My main five dividends are actually very similar to what I just read off. Nvidia paid out $1.02 pretty recently, actually. And if things kind of continue the way they are with that 75% yield, we're looking at $20,000, almost $21,000. Misty, currently $33.94, paid out $4.42. I'm expecting this to go down to maybe closer to 2, maybe $3, but I'm really looking for maybe 2 out of that. If everything continues the same, the 77% payout, we'll be looking at about $1,293. JepQ, like I said, the hometown favorite, recently also paid out November 1st, 49 cents. This is pretty average for this. I always say around 50 cents. It's a 9%, 9.29% average. If it continues, I got $132. I want to kind of bump this up. I'd like this to at least be $1,000 a year. So I'm going to push towards that. And then Broadcom, the one I just mentioned a minute ago, back in September, they paid 53 cents a share, which is only 1.29%. This is not a dividend stock per se. It's more meant to have a lot more growth, which unfortunately for me, it's also gone down on that side. So that's one of the reasons I said I was looking at it. But $44.65. And so this video doesn't get too long. As you can see here, my total theoretically I'm getting throughout the year is about $22,000. I do have 17, almost $18,000 of margin on here, which is why on the other screen it was kind of showing me down because it's also adding that into the numbers. But I'm basically going to use this margin to pay this down. And once I get back to zero, I don't know, maybe buy something else. All right. Wanted to make a short one here, nothing too crazy. If you have any questions, comments, think I should sell something, want to know about some other random stocks, let me know in the comments below. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. I'd like to get this channel monetized, and I want to start giving back to the people that are watching my videos. Best way I can do that is to get monetized so I can start doing giveaways and start giving back to the community. In case you didn't know, I's a hobo. Thanks for watching.